So let's get started. Go ahead and just click on the new and the task editor. So you would be prompted with the task editor, and then have an Excel spreadsheet. Just create an Excel spreadsheet with certain data. And for now we are using this particular Excel sheet, which contains 3 columns basically. So the column 1 or the column A contains the name, column B contains the age, and column C contains yes and no comment. So that comment would be passed from Automation Anywhere, and Automation Anywhere gonna read the data from column 1 and 2 and write the data into the column C or third. So for now we can see the data starts from the row number 2 and it ends at the row number 6. So basically there are 5 rows to read. So the data we have, which is name as age, and the data that we're gonna add is comment. So let's go ahead and create these 3 variables. So first one is name, then second one is age, and the current value we're gonna set it to 2, since we gonna retrieve the value from row number 2. First one contains the header. And now to perform any Excel operation, we need to first open the Excel file. So go ahead and just locate the Excel from your activities. So there we go. So here we have Excel. Just drag and drop the open spreadsheet option and just browse your spreadsheet. Just make sure the open spreadsheet is checked out, and you can have session name as you wish, but for now we're going to leave it as default and click on save. And we can also define if we need to retrieve the data from a specific sheet. If not, then it's gonna retrieve the data from active sheet. So for now we're gonna have it as a default, since all the data is in first sheet. So let's save it. And the second one, we're gonna have a loop to get the data from 5 rows. So since there are 5 rows, run the second one. Second thing that we need to perform is get the data. So again, go back to the Excel, drag and drop. Session name is default. We will specify name. So names are in row. So then we're gonna assign that value into the name. Save. So make it B, same row, yes and no. So let's look for the prompts. So there we go with the prompt, and our prompt is yes and no. So give a header. First name, and the name value will is variable. We'll choose that value to go to the Excel row variable on the top, value by 1. Retrieve the data from first row, which is here, and what would the option we're going to choose. So I'm going to choose yes and click on OK. So that option is updated into the Excel spreadsheet. Similarly, I'm going to choose no. So there we go, no, then no, then yes. So it's reading the data from Excel and writing into the Excel. The Excel sheet save and close spreadsheet. Session name is same, and if you don't want to save the spreadsheet, then you can choose this option or check on this checkbox, otherwise by default it's gonna save the values. So that's it in this tutorial. Thanks for